I hope you've been enjoying the vlog. This is week 2 and we're currently at Target. We're looking for skincare products because, you know, skincare is important.
But she will explain it better. What you buy?
Urban Skin RX. It's a skincare product.
Oh, Urban. Yes, I do have that. Urban. I have a few things. We have that guy. And then
Oh,
two.
yes.
This one thing first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
We are hurricane hunting, huh?
So guys, a hurricane is coming. I left
We
good
are
Jamaica
going
to
to
come
meet it.
to Florida to experience a category 4 hurricane. So we're
And we
preparing
can't
for
wait
it.
for it, so we're on our way to meet the hurricane.
Bro.
It's taking too long.
So we need to get some supplies because a hurricane is coming. What were you saying now, Latoya?
I said the lady picked up the longest thing of water. It looked like it's very serious. I
Bro.
thought it was a joke.
Oh snap. Water limit 4.
A few moments later.
I've never been so excited to see water before in my life. Come on, Dorian.
There's a limit of 4.
Thank you.
Limit of 4. 549, buy one, get one free.
What?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
thought you We got our water. We got our water. Oh, I'm so excited. I've never been so happy for water in my life. And we are expecting a lot of water. Isn't that amazing? You're buying something that you're about to get for free. I just can't comprehend. Hey Jordan, you excited? Excited for the hurricane?
No.
Hi guys. So it is 2 days before the hurricane. 2?
No.
1 day.
Hours before the hurricane.
Hours before the hurricane, and we're going to the beach.
And
Sorry, mom. Oh Jesus. We're
Smart
not.
us.
I don't think we're going to swim. We're just going
Not get caught in a
to
hurricane.
see
I guess
what's
this
happening.
Gonna pay my medical
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
person in this car.
And
We're on the hurricane watch, so we're going closer to see what we can catch.
we're going to watch.
We want to be the first one to see the hurricane coming. So the closest spot is the ocean. So we're on our way there.
You heard, Mom?
Hmm?
If I get stuck in a hurricane, every single person in this car is paying my medical bill.
Don't worry, I have time to get stuck.
So we'll see you guys at the beach.
Ciao.
Hope you know, usually I ride solo. Ain't bout the games, ain't got nothing on the low. You tryna cuff me, you better call the popo. Let these know that's the motto. Ooh, but boy, when it comes to you, I'm hypnotized by the things you do. And when I look into your eyes, the only way that I can describe it is like
All this way, and it's locked, bruh.
The beach is good, but we can
The
probably park
beach
here
is
and
closed and walk.
go. It says when you hear the emergency warning siren, tune to your local radio station. Maybe we can park here.
Okay.
What do you think?
You want to chance it?
We're just gonna look.
Yeah. Reverse
And
though.
I see them
Back
apartments,
in.
not
Yeah.
going that side.
Oh. So guys, we finally made it to the beach ish. We're in the parking lot. We're just going to see what the water is like.
On my mind, sustained with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me.
So guys, that's pretty much it for the beach day, beach hour. We didn't really spend too long because you see how rough the water was, but it was still fun. The water warm, so I see why the hurricane is moving, how it's moving, which is slow. You found the sea grapes? You found the sea grapes? One? A single one? Some people enjoy that, whoever enjoy cars and stuff. So we're going to head home now and I guess do further preparations for the hurricane, right?
Yeah.
We're preparing for the hurricane or we just flexing?
And our preparation is cook fish and play domino.
You have domino? Sure. Well, I guess we're playing dominoes tonight.
180 miles per hour, so a slight change because the pressure has come up. We kind of speculated on that. Moving at 6 miles per hour, and Chris is at the control, so let's see what happens with the new forecast track. And as I suspected, no significant change. Continue to move toward the west, and then a move to the north.
This is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have been enjoying the videos, and it's a bit different vlog style. I mean, I usually do makeup tutorials, so I hope you're enjoying these vlogs. I got some feedback on the last video, so thank you for the feedback. So I hope I'm doing stuff to get better. And remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and you can leave some comments. Keep us in your prayers because Hurricane Dorian is on its way. I think it's still a category 5, but by the time it gets here it will downgrade to probably a category 4 or category 3. Fingers crossed. So the next video you'll see what happens when it comes, if it comes, whatever, all that jazz. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. My uncle looking at me wondering what I'm doing. But yeah. Bye guys.